Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating obvious load. Close background apps and stop heavy downloads. Once done, switch to a wired Ethernet connection because wireless interference often causes delay. Make sure to set your device to performance or high power mode so the CPU won't throttle. Then, open your audio or network settings and note current buffer size and sample rate. This gives you a baseline. These first actions reduce variability and let the next adjustments actually work instead of masking the problem. Now, you fine-tune buffers and rates. Lower the audio buffer to between 64 and 256 samples. Smaller buffers cut latency, but make sure you test for clicks. Next, match sample rates across all devices, 44, 1 kHz or 48 kHz, to avoid resampling delays. Update network or audio drivers and enable Co-S or traffic priority on your router so real-time packets move first. Once these changes are in place, measure latency again to confirm improvement before moving to final steps. Finish by rebooting all affected devices so driver and power changes fully apply. Then run a simple loopback or ping test to quantify remaining delay. You want a clear before and after comparison. If you still see unacceptable latency, isolate the problem. Disconnect USB hubs, external DACs, or MIDI devices one at a time to find the culprit. Key troubleshooting tip. If delays remain intermittent, check for thermal throttling or background updates. They cause spikes even after best settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.